Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoom Phone and CRM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. In the top right corner, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up Free to create one. Once logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Phone System in the menu. Next, select Settings from the Phone System options. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Phone Numbers section. Click on Add Phone Number. Choose the type of number you wish to add, local or toll-free. Follow the prompts to select the area code and customize your number. After selecting your phone number, click Next to proceed. Review your selection and click Save. Now, to link your CRM, go back to the main dashboard. Select Marketplace from the menu. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find your CRM solution. Once located, click on the CRM app you want to integrate. Follow the installation prompts provided for that specific CRM. Authorize the permissions required by Zoom to connect with your CRM. After installation, return to the Zoom dashboard. Go to Phone System and then click on Integrations. Find your CRM listed there and click Configure. Your Zoom phone is now registered, and the CRM is integrated. You're ready to start using your Zoom phone with your CRM effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.